Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet baby shoes designs model. Crochet baby shoes design refers to the style, pattern and structure used to create soft baby shoes using crochet techniques and yarn. The shoes are handmade gentle on a baby's feet and often designed for newborns or toddlers. Why crochet baby shoes are popular? Perfect as baby shower gifts. Safe and gentle for babies, can be custom made in any color or theme. Loved for their handmade vintage charm. Here are some tips for crochet baby shoes designs. First, design and comfort tips. Always design the sole first. A well-shaped sole make the shoe fit better. Keep the toe area roomy, not tight, for natural baby foot movement. Avoid hard seams inside the shoes. Small joints prevent irritation. Use flexible stitches like half double crochet for comfort. Sizing and fit tips. Match your baby feet in centimeters, not just inches. Add 5 to 8 easy so the shoes is not tight. Use adjustable designs like straps or ties for better fit. Clearly label sized newborn, 0 to 3 month or 3 to 6 month. Yarn selection tips. Choose hypoallergenic, baby safe yarn. Cotton yarn is best for warm climates. Acrylic or wool blends for cooler weather. Avoid fuzzy yarns that shades fibers. Light or pastel colors show this detail better. Stitch and technique tips. Use tight but not stiff tension for durability. Work in rounds to reduce seams. Slip stitch neatly for clean edged. Reinforce soles with an extra round for strength. Decoration and safety tips. Sew decorations very securely, never glue. Avoid beads or loose buttons for babies under 1 year. Keep embellishments flat and soft. Use embroidery instead of hard accessories when possible. Style and aesthetic tips. Match shoes with babies' outfits like dress, rompers, blanket sets. Use two-tone or ombre colors for a modern look. Vintage inspired details like scallop-edged look timeless. Keep designs simple. Less is more for baby footwear. Gift and selling tips. Present shows with matching hats or mittens. Add care instructions when gifting or selling. Photograph shows in natural light for online listing. Offer custom colors or names to stand out. Care and durability tips. Pre-wash yarn to test softness and color fastness. Design shoes that are machine wash friendly. Secure all ends tightly and weave them in twice. Pattern planning tips. Sketch your shoes designs before proceeding to plan shape and details. Write down stitch counts for each round to ensure repeatable results. Test your pattern in at least 2 sizes before finalizing. Keep designs beginner friendly if you plan to sell patterns. Sole and structure tips. Use oval-shaped soles for a more natural foot shape. Add a slip stitch edged around the sole for a polished look. Crochet soles using Back loop only stitches for flexibility. Slightly curve the toe upward for a realistic shoe appearance. Yarn and texture tips makes stitch textures smooth plus raised for visual interest. Use thinner yarn for summer shoes, thicker yarn for winter booties. Avoid metallic or stiff yarns, they can irritate baby skin. Choose yarns that hold shapes after washing. For styling and security tips, use crocheted ties, buttons with loops or velcro straps, 7 in. Interior openings are wide enough for easy wear. Test by gently pulling, shoes should stay on but not squeeze. Make left and right shoes exactly the same size. Finishing and professional look tips. Stay lock lightly, never press hard. Hide yarn ends inside the sole for a clean interior. Match swing thread color to yarn for invisible finishing. Trim folds carefully for a neat appearance. Design style tips for vintage looks. Use neutral tones like cream, beige, or dusty pink. Add subtle scallops or picoted stitches for elegance. Keep embellishments proportional. Tiny shoes need tiny details. Stick to on-focal decoration per shoes. Safety and baby-friendly tips. Always do a finger test inside the shoe. No bumps allowed. Avoid long springs that could wrap around toes. Label items not for walking, for newborn size. Recommended warning with chalks for extra comfort. Keep a design journal to track ideas, mistakes, and improvements. This helps you grow faster as a crochet designer. Baby first comfort tips. Always imagine the shoe being worn for hours, not minutes. Keep the ankle opening soft and stretchy, no tight ribbing. Avoid thick knots inside, flatten every joint. Test shoes on your own finger first to fill rough spots. Use a smaller hook than recommended for tighter treble stitches. Check gauze after finishing the sole, not halfway through. Keep tension consistent between both shoes to avoid size mismatch. Rest your hands. Tight tension can distort shapes. Use surface crochet or embroidery instead of sewing on pages. Make decorations removable for washing if possible. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!